What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the world of copy trading and seeing if it's true that you can copy a trader, invest your money, and while you're at work or on holiday, or even while you're sleeping, you can make money from trading without any experience. I'm going to go right from zero and take you through the process of signing up and depositing, and I'll show you what I personally look for when I'm researching to copy a trader and their strategy. And by the end of the video, I'm going to be investing 2,000 Rand of my own money live and in real time on the XM copy trading platform, and we'll be tracking the results. So if you've been looking for ways to grow your wealth and potentially generate some passive income by using the experience of others, then let's get stuck into copy trading and see what it's all about. Time to get started. Now, I have tried my hand at trading the markets over the years, with specifically Forex trading. I remember in 2011, I learned everything that I could. I attended seminars and read a bunch of text and books and articles on trading with candlesticks and charts, and I think I did quite well, starting with 6,000 Rand, and it grew to about 8,300. But the problem I had was with a full-time job and studying at the time and everything else that goes into living your day-to-day life, it was just really hard to find the time to dedicate to it. Because unlike investing, it can often take a very active approach, and depending on your strategy, it can require a lot of attention to the markets and being in front of a screen in order to analyze the patterns of the exchange and make your trades. So, like most of us over the years, I opted for a more passive approach to investing. But I do know that if you're experienced in trading and you do it well, it's possible that you can out-earn the market, and there is even the chance of creating incredible wealth for yourself. So skip forward a few years, and when XM came on board to sponsor some of our videos with their new copy trading platform, I found it a fascinating concept that you could potentially reap the rewards of trading without needing any of the experience and minimal time, and some of the viewers asked for a video on it as well. So I'm going to show you exactly how it all works if it's something you're looking to invest in. So let's explain copy trading, and then we'll jump to the platform and sign up to invest our own money in copy trading here in real time to show you how it's done. Simply put, XM copy trading is where you can invest your money with other more experienced traders. You can search through the platform and find a trader with the kind of strategy and results that you would like, and you can copy with them. So essentially, your money goes into their strategy, and with every trade they make, your money automatically trades alongside them. And if they make a profit, you make a profit with them. But the smartest thing, in my opinion, in all of this is that the trader gets a percentage of your profit, similar to a fund manager. So if they win, then you win, and if you win, then they win. So there is an incentive all around to have a good trading strategy over the long term and for everyone to make money. So if you invest in copy trading, someone else can do all of the work and research and do the trades for you, and you can sit back on a beach somewhere and reap the results. I'll also show you how the platform works, how to pick your traders to copy, and how you can track the results. So in order to show you that, let's go straight into signing up for the platform, and we'll touch on these and a few other things as we go along. And in the next few minutes, we'll be investing 2,000 Rand of our own money in 2 different copy traders that I picked live and in real time. Now, guys, before we get to the platform, just remember that as with most forms of investing, trading like this can involve risk, and it can result in the loss of your capital. So remember, there are T's and C's that apply, and that it is possible to lose money. But I'll also show you the methods that I will personally be using to try and reduce that risk, and how I will be investing in copy trading as a percentage of my well-diversified portfolio. Alright, so let's get into it. I'm actually quite excited. I've been wanting to do this video for a while. Now, I'm going to do this on PC because it's a bigger screen, but they also have a really cool app that you can also use and download from the App Store. Firstly, I'm going to scroll down under this video and click on the link here, which we've put in the description of the video as well, so it's the same process that you or I or anyone would follow. And that takes us to their copy trading information page, where they've got info on how copy trading works, and scrolling down, it's also got some frequently asked questions. So we're going to click here to get started copy trading. This next page is very simple. Country of residence is South Africa. Then we put in our email and of course a password that meets the criteria. I do want to receive all the product email updates and then click register. Okay, done. Now head over to Gmail and very simple instructions. Click the button to verify email and that's done now, and it takes you straight to XM's home screen, which is convenient. Next, we're going to verify ourselves. Now, some companies can make this complicated or simple, so let's see which one this is. Okay, name and surname, date of birth and cell phone number, easy. Then country of residence, South Africa, and of course the address. Oh, that's quite cool. It automatically picks up your address when you start typing and you just click it and it fills it in. Nice. Okay, add financial details. So it says, have you had any Forex education or traded at least 15 times in derivative products such as Forex or CFDs? So as I mentioned earlier, I have. It was a while ago, but technically true. So let's put a yes and continue. Then we have document verification. Let's click start. It says, please have your ID ready. Let me go and grab that quick. Got it. Let's click start. I've got my passport with me, so I'm going to select that. I'm going to use the webcam to take the picture, but if you don't have a webcam, you can use your phone as well. Then start, allow access this time, and take a photo. Now, obviously this is all blurred out, but you hold the ID document to the camera, and I flipped the image so the script was the right way, and take the picture. Looks good, so click complete. And there you go, image quality check complete, and it takes you back to the home screen. Honestly, that wasn't too bad, and when I clicked view status right after, it says it was completed along with an email confirmation. So also, once you're verified, you can claim a $30 bonus specifically for the XM platform, so I took an extra 2 minutes to claim that. It's free, so why not? Then the final step before we start investing is to fund our account, and then we can get to choosing our copy traders. So click on the copy trading section and then up to create investor, and then we create the investor account. Done. Now we can click on deposit and select the method of payment, and we're going to use a Visa card. I'm depositing $100 because the minimum deposit for some copy trading is $50, and I want to do at least 2 different copy traders for diversification. So we put in the card details and confirm the transaction with the bank, and boom, successful deposit. And now we are all set up, ready to go, and we can start using the platform, copy trading, and get to the fun stuff. All right, here we are. Now this is the main trading screen of the platform, and there is a huge amount of information, and you could spend days getting lost in all of the options and trading histories. But remember, we need to pick at least 2 copy traders out of all of these options to invest our $100 in by the end of the video. So let me take you through what I look at for who to invest in. First of all, we look at the asset trading options. There is Forex, indices, crypto, algorithmic, and commodities. To be honest with you, these don't matter too much to me, and that's because I'm really more concerned with the results. So whatever it is, if the results are good, that's what matters. So for me, I'll leave it on any. Now we're going to look at the classifications of the traders. So we've got featured, most popular, best performers, low risk, low frequency, low drawdown, low fees, most invested, and high win ratio. Now there really is a lot of value in these because it can help you to drill down to what you want out of this investment. Maybe you are looking for the highest possible gains and you don't mind the risk that comes with it. Perhaps you want to follow the crowd and go with the most invested, or maybe you want to pay the lowest fees so you keep the most of the profit. There are some really great options here to drill down, and it will be different for each person. I also selected $50 as the minimum investment amount. For me, if you know my investment type, I prefer value investing, which is typically lower risk with long-term potential. So for me, I'm going to click on the low risk section and look through there. But if some of these guys are making something like 12 to 14% returns in a month, then that is way better than things like index funds. So personally, I don't see a need to be too greedy here either. It's up to you, but I'm going to go with lower risk. Then once you've simplified your list, you can sort them by these indicators here, and you can sort from highest to lowest, which is what I'm going to do now. And my next step is to sort by the highest number of investors. Now, it's not certain, but I assumed that if people are happy with their returns, they would stay and recommend others. So I went further into the detail of Al-Sharqi FX, and I looked at the returns for last year and this year so far. I looked at the risk rating of 4, which is low, and within my boundaries, I did a few more checks like the portfolio breakdown and the 80% of trades won. So this was our first investment, and we went in and set $50 to invest, and I also set a stop loss at $25. So if it ever goes down to $25, it will exit the investment just to be safe. And then let's click copy and done. Then for the second one, I used very similar criteria, which was the low risk section, and I found a trader who already had a decent following. The difference is that instead of a person making these trades, as you can see here, it's an algorithm the trader developed that analyzes the data and makes the trades. This trader also happens to have a higher return over 1 month and a lower fee of 5% rather than the 20% of the previous one. So I did my research through this trader as well, looking through history of their trades and returns and the statistics of successful trades at 76%. I decided to make this my second investment, and I went in and put a stop loss at $25 like the previous one and invested my second $50 and successfully copied this trader. And guys, there you have it. A successful day going from absolute zero to investing $100 over 2 traders with the XM copy trading platform and adding another asset for wealth building as a reasonable percentage of my active investing portfolio. I've also downloaded the app on my phone that I've been using to track the results of my copy traders, and I've also been using it to research for a couple more copy traders that I might want to add. So I invested just a few days ago, and currently it is up by about 0.8% in closed profits, but obviously a few days won't really tell you anything, and that's why we're going to be tracking my results over time right here on Casual Cash. So if you want to see that, you can subscribe to the channel. But guys, if you liked the video, please leave a like, and if you also want to try copy trading, you can visit the link down in the description to try XM's copy trading today. But until then, I'll see you guys next time, as always, on Casual Cash. Cheers.